India's power sector is booming. But what if I told you one company started in 2008 is now gearing up for 400 crores IPO and its profits have jumped 126% in just 1 year? Yes, I am talking about Mangal Electrical Industries. But here is the big question. Is this IPO a hidden gem in the power sector or just another high-priced bet? Stay with me till the end because I will break down everything. Price band, financials, company details, risks, strengths, and even how it stacks up against peers. Hi people, you're watching Kodaka. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I cover such type of content related to IPO, markets, jobs, real-time updates, news, and every single thing and the things which you are confused about and need help with. So if you are someone who needs constant help or any such type of doubts, then this is the right platform for you because I will be covering all the related topics very soon on my channel. Without wasting any more time, let's deep dive into the Mangal Electrical Industries IPO. The company has a book build issue of 400 crores, entirely fresh issue, meaning all the raised money will go directly to the company. The subscriptions open today, that is August 20th, 2025 and closes on August 22nd. The IPO is set between a price band of 533 to 561 per share with a lot size of 26 shares. Pre-issue, the company's promoter holding is 100% and post-issue, this will dilute to 74.19%. In my previous video, I mentioned about company's promoter holding. This is something that is considered as good. This shows strong promoter skin in the game. Now let's quickly understand कि ये company करती क्या है. The company was founded in the year 2008. They are specialized in transformer manufacturing. आप सभी लोगों को पता होगा कि ट्रांसफार्मर क्या होता है. जिनको नहीं पता मैं बहुत क्विकली बता देती हूँ. हम सभी के घरों में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पहुंचाने का एक मीडियम होता है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत सारे पॉइंट से आती है और बहुत हैवी वोल्टेज पे आती है. सो देयर इज अ पॉइंट कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसफार्मर जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है एक एरिया या एक रीजन के घरों तक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई को सेफली पहुंचाने के लिए. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, बैकबोन ऑफ पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन and transmission. Their portfolio covers everything: CRGO coils, core assemblies, oil immersed circuit breakers, and transformers from 5 kVA to 10 MVA. Apart from that, they even provide EPC services for setting up electrical substations. Currently, they are operating out of 5 facilities in Rajasthan. Their annual production capacities are massive, from over 10 lakh kVA transformers to 75,000 circuit breakers. And here is the kicker. Their brand, Mangal Electrical Industries, already enjoys strong recall in the industry, making them well-recognized name in the transformer segment. Let's quickly look at the numbers because numbers never lie. Between FY24 and 25, their revenue grew from 452 crores to rupees 551 crores. That's a 22% jump in revenue. And the biggest shocker is about their profits. एक guess करो, double हो गए होंगे? जी नहीं. Their profits are more than doubled from 20.9 crores to 47.3 crores, a whooping 126% increase in profits in just 1 year. Their balance sheet shows assets at 366 crores and borrowings at 149 crores. And their net worth is rising at 162 crores. Margins look healthy too. EBITDA margin stands at 14.9%, PAT margin at 8.61%, return on equity 29%, return on net worth 34%. With these numbers, we are able to identify that their business is scaling fast, but also carrying some debt, with a debt to equity at 0.92. Let's quickly talk about the reservation. QIBs will have 50%, retail investors are having 35%, जिसमें हम लोग apply करते हैं, and NIIs are going to have 15% of the quota. So what's the plan for rupees 400 crores IPO money? 101 crores will go for repayment of loans, 87 crores for expanding their Unit 4 facility in Rajasthan, 122 crore for working capital, and the rest for general corporate purposes. Very clear डेफिनेटली इट इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी, रीपेमेंट कर देंगे लोन्स का तो डेफिनेटली डेट्स पे जो इंटरेस्ट है वो कम हो जाएगा। अपनी फैसिलिटीज को एक्सपैंड करना चाहते हैं, अपना बिजनेस ग्रो करना चाहते हैं और अपनी वर्किंग कैपिटल में लगाना चाहते हैं ताकि बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड कर सकें। द की स्ट्रेंथ्स ऑफ द कंपनी इज अबाउट स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रमोटर लीडरशिप एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड मैनेजमेंट, सिलेक्टिव रेगुलेटरी अप्रूवल्स, दैट मीन्स कि बार बार चेंजिंग नहीं होगी पॉलिसीज के अंदर, विच विल नॉट इम्पैक्ट दियर बिजनेस मच, बहुत ही कम चेंजेस होते हैं। डाइवर्सिफाइड कस्टमर बेस, integrated operations for efficiency, consistent growth track record for now. But here is something that all investors should keep a note of, that are their risks, because you should always know what you are signing up for. Dependency on third party suppliers and logistics may impact their business to some extent. High power and fuel dependency, high reliance on contract labor at project sites. Wait, before you rush in, let's compare Mangal Electrical Industries with its listed peers, because this is where we really understand how the company stacks up. Mangal comes with an EPS of 23.8 and return on net worth of 34.14%. This is pretty impressive. Not many companies in the segment and in the industry are throwing that kind of returns. Vilas Transcore, their EPS is 14.58, return on net worth 14.27%, respectable but clearly much lower than Mangal's. Then there is JB Laminations with EPS of 12.31 and return on net worth of 24.11%. Stronger than Vilas, but still not close to Mangal's. So in terms of profitability and returns, Mangal clearly stands out. It's generating higher returns for every rupee of the shareholder capital compared to peers. But here is the flip side, valuation. Mangal's IPO comes with a price of book of 7.09, which is on the expressive side when you see peers trading much cheaper. That means market is already pricing in high growth expectations. So the takeaway, on papers, Mangal looks more efficient and profitable than its peers. But the real question for investors is, do you want to pay the premium today, betting that the company can keep this growth momentum growing? So, is Mangal Electrical IPO a powerhouse opportunity? Once again, this video is only for educational purposes. I don't recommend or give any sort of sell and buy advice. This is pure opinion and analysis, which I love sharing with people so that they can get an overview and think from this perspective as well. Markets and investments are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully and consult your financial advisor before making any calls or decisions. So, the answer to the question. On one hand, we see strong growth, a loyal customer base, and ambitious expansion plans. On the other hand, debt is still high and valuations look demanding. That's why the real question is, will investors pay premium for growth or will they wait to see execution? What do you think? Will you apply for this IPO or stay cautious? Drop your thoughts in the comment section because your opinion matters. I hope you liked this video. I'm going to come up with the remaining IPOs and upcoming IPOs as well, and also going to post a video of 5 IPO comparison soon on my channel. So stay tuned. And if your search for such kind of IPO information, overview and other things is not over yet, then this is the right platform for you. So stay tuned. Until then, happy learning, invest wisely, take care, bye.